Hi, I'm Karen and this is Phil, and today we are exploring Bribie Island in Queensland with Phil's sisters Nicole and Ruth. We were up there visiting them and their families, but today it was just catching up with the girls. We started our day at Bluey Piver Park, where we not only took in the beautiful park and checked out its facilities, but we also checked out the beach before heading to a local cafe to enjoy a quick brunch. Get onto this beach near the shops. There's actually two entrances, one with stairs and there's also a ramp. Never seen a beach report done quite like that before. Well done, Queensland.
Waffles.
Speed humps on dirt roads is unusual.
Yes, but it's probably to stop all the hoons. So this is Wurrum Beach and it's a dog area. Also turtles are known to nest along here as well. Has anybody ever seen turtles on Bribie Islands or their nests? Let us know in the comments below where you found them so maybe someone else can check them out as well. The island that we can see is Moreton Bay Island. You can get over there by a barge or ferry. Give us a wave, we'll put you on YouTube. So that's the bridge over there that you come into on Bribie Island. Our last stop before we headed back across the bridge was to check out the area around Bongarry and the bay side of Bribie Island. We enjoyed walking along the foreshore as well as enjoying fish and chips. Down in the distance is the jetty. We'll probably go for a walk down there once we've got some water.
Yeah, little one, sorry. Alright.
Yep.
Where are we going?
You want to go for a walk down that way?
Oh yeah, right.
If you're getting value out of today, why not hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and ring that little bell, because we're putting out travel videos quite often and we would love to inspire you to see more of this amazing world. want to thank Ruth and Nicole for an absolutely beautiful day checking out just some of the spots in Bribie Island. There is so much to do, so many beaches, lots of four-wheel drive tracks. Obviously we didn't try any of those out, and we would highly recommend, if you are on the Sunshine Coast, taking a day trip or even going and staying on Bribie Island. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye! If you liked what you saw today, why not check out the first part of our Queensland trip? And we've got a couple of more Queensland adventures yet to come.